What do you think the leader of the opposition's job is? To question the government? To hold power accountable? To be the voice of the voiceless? Wrong. Wrong mindset. Colonial mindset. Too much democracy mindset. Let me open your third eye.
का कहना है कि चूंकि मैं नरेंद्र मोदी से सवाल पूछता हूं, उनको चैलेंज करता हूं, इसलिए ये सब लोग मेरे पीछे पड़े रहते हैं।
नरेंद्र मोदी से क्या सवाल पूछेंगे? नरेंद्र मोदी तो सवाल से ऊपर हो गए हैं।
You do not audit God. You do not question the Prime Minister. You do not question about the US trade deal. You certainly do not question about the Epstein files. And for heaven's sake, you do not quote what General Naravane wrote.
The tanks were within a few hundred meters of Indian positions on the Kailash range.
No sir, no sir, no sir. We only started.
ये लिखा हुआ नहीं पढ़ सकते आप। अध्यक्ष ने ना बोला है। ये 389 को भी तोड़ रहे हैं। हम सदन किस तरह से चलाना चाहते हैं?
See, in a normal country, a prime minister is a public servant. But we are not a normal country. We are a Vishwaguru. And in a Vishwaguru, the king is above in noise. He is perhaps the first prime minister in modern Indian history who has consistently avoided a full, open, unscripted press conference. You may call it arrogance. It is not. It is trauma. The trauma of Karan Thapar. The trauma of Dosti Bani Rahe.
Allowed to rest.
दोस्ती बनी रहे, अपनी दोस्ती बनी रहे यार। You came here happy and thankful to you. और थिंग्स आपके आइडियाज हैं, आप बोलते रहिए, करते रहिए। 3-4 questions are related to
But Modi sir,
The air conditioning was on, but suddenly the heat was unbearable.
Modi sir,
कल देखो मैं दोस्ताना संबंध बनाना चाहता हूँ, आप उसको कोशिश कीजिए।
The questions came like arrows, not about mangoes, not about how he eats them, slice or suck.
हमारे प्रधानमंत्री आम खाते हैं। आम खाते हैं, और अगर खाते हैं तो क्या काट के खाते हैं या ऐसे गुठली के साथ खाते हैं?
What about Janet? I still want to live in India.
रैपिड फायर का ये अहम सवाल, पसंदीदा राजनेता कौन?
मुझे अभी भी इस देश में रहना है।
The Indian Republic began its journey with Jawaharlal Nehru. When Shyam Prasad Mukherjee or a young Atal Bihari Vajpayee tore his policies apart, Nehru didn't turn off the mics. He didn't suspend them. He didn't unleash the ED on the relatives.
मैंने एक बार पंडित जी से कह दिया था कि आपका एक मिला जुला व्यक्तित्व है और आप में चर्चिल भी है और चैम्बरलेन भी है। वो नाराज नहीं हुए। शाम को किसी बैंक्वेट में मुलाकात हो गई और उन्होंने कहा आज तो बड़ा जोरदार भाषण दिया है, और हंसते हुए चले गए।
Waste film. Where is the ego? Where is the God complex? Where is the 56-inch chest? You see, Modi ji is not like Nehru. He has standards. He doesn't want an opposition leader who opposes. He wants a modern opposition. Polite, obedient, a nice decorative piece of furniture that sits in the corner and nods every time the master speaks. Yes, sir. Very visionary, sir. Global leadership, sir. A Hello Kitty of democracy. Soft, cute, harmless. But destiny is a cruel scriptwriter, because the man they spent thousands of crores branding as a meme, as Pappu, has suddenly become impossible to handle.
You have been given permission to speak on the Honorable President's speech.
It is not a permission that I'm being given, Speaker, sir. I am the leader of the opposition of this country. You are not giving me permission. It is my right. ये कहते हैं कि ये टेररिज्म से लड़ते हैं और ये एक कोर्ट से लड़ते हैं। इसमें क्या चीज है जिससे ये इतना घबरा रहे हैं कि मैं ये नहीं बोल पा रहा हूँ?
देश देख रहा है एक अकेला कितनों को भारी पड़ रहा है।
Isn't it ironic? They spent a decade telling us he was incompetent. And now, they are terrified of his competence.
Epstein file। और दूसरा जो अदानी जी पर केस है, ये दो प्रेशर पॉइंट्स हैं जो मैं जानता हूँ, नरेंद्र मोदी जानता है। I do not believe that any Indian Prime Minister, including Mr. Modi, would sign such a deal unless there was a chokeholder. You have sold our mother, Bharat Mata. Are you not ashamed of yourself? No. Do you have no shame of selling India?
Pappu is asking about the army chief. He is asking about the trade deal. He is asking about Epstein. And the system is panicking. Wait, this was not part of the plan? He was supposed to be watching Chota Bheem. Why is he reading General Naravane's book? He was supposed to be confused about Alu and Sona. Why is he confused about the white Chinese are building villages in Arunachal? This is cheating. This is out of syllabus. It is like preparing for a pillow fight.
Here we go with the pillow fight is on. Cheech and Chong, Divas pajama.
And the other guy brings a sledgehammer. The problem is not that he is speaking. The problem is he is making sense. And in the court of the Vishwaguru, making sense is the ultimate crime. In a modified democracy, the problem is never the event. The problem is the person noticing the event. If a bridge collapses in Bihar, the problem is not corruption. The problem is the YouTuber who stood there and recorded it. Hey! It is the logic of ostrich burying its head in the sand. But at least the ostrich does it to survive. They are doing it to save an image. Why can't the Prime Minister just answer? Why can't he simply say, no, the army chief is wrong? Or, no, the deal is clean, no pressure whatsoever. Let us just say Mr. Hardeep Singh Puri, a dignified minister, did not do anything illegal in that island. Maybe he was just there for the ambience. The question is not what he did inside. The question is, why did he enter the sewer in the first place? And he wasn't alone. We have our very own Anil Ambani fixing meetings for whom? It doesn't matter if you only drank coffee in the gutter. If you drink coffee in a sewer, you still smell like it must cause shame. It should trigger moral outrage. But in New India, shame is a currency that has been demonetized. The good old days. Back then, if you had a link with Dawood, even a whiff of a link, you were finished. Khalas, tata, bye-bye. But look at us now. We have upgraded. We have traded the Dawn for the devil. We have traded D Company for E Island. Why is that a phone call with a gangster makes you a traitor, but a meeting with a global trafficker makes you a strategic partner. Now let me be clear. Let me go on record. I have 100% faith in our Prime Minister. I believe with all my heart, a man of his spiritual depth would never indulge in acts that would shame the dignity of this nation. And I'm not alone in this belief. My most favorite actress of all time, across industries, across continents, across galaxies, the queen of beauty, the beauty of queen, the bun butter jam, none other than Rakhi Sawant. Hey! Even she thinks the same. Modi ji can do no wrong.
मोदी जी संत आदमी है, साधु आदमी है। मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है मोदी जी ने कभी सेक्स भी नहीं किया।
तू क्या बोल रही है? चुप!
नहीं ये हो नहीं सकता।
बंदी दिल की अच्छी है, बस बोलने का तरीका थोड़ा कैजुअल है। She is a pure, unadulterated मोदी भक्त।
मोदी जी को प्रधानमंत्री की कुर्सी से कोई हटा नहीं सकता। राहुल गांधी भी नहीं। अगर कोई मोदी जी को प्रधानमंत्री की कुर्सी से हटाने से पहले उनको मुझसे गुजरना होगा। मैं रेडी हूँ मोदी जी, माननीय मोदी जी, मैं रेडी हूँ। मुझे आप चाइना भेज दो, पाकिस्तान भेज दो, जहाँ भेजना भेज दो। मैं अपने देश की रक्षा के लिए।
Jokes apart, the fact is, the files are out. And the files do not care about mine or Rakhi Sawant's faith. The files only care about one thing: data. And the data is ugly. The files have names. The files have his name and his party men's name.
There are also several emails from Indian Minister Hardeep Singh Puri. Epstein referenced the PM in emails regarding Modi's 2017 visit to Israel. He even claimed he had offered him advice.
Now, in a democracy, when a leader's name surfaces in the diary of a global predator, you expect a storm, you expect a reaction, or at the very least, a denial. But here, pin drop silence.
आप इसके बारे में क्या कहते हैं?
Let us get one thing straight. In our dusty, rarely opened book called the Constitution, the Prime Minister is described as primus inter pares, first among equals. He is not supremos Deus. He is not God above all. He is an employee, a high-ranking employee, yes, but an employee nonetheless. Which means, and I say this gently, softly, respectfully, he can be questioned. He must be questioned. So please, for the sake of what remains of this democracy, never entertain anyone who says, if you are with Modi, you are with India. If you are against Modi, you are anti-India.
This election is a test of the common Indian's patriotism. And if you are with Modi, you are with India. If you are not with Modi, you are anti-India. That's it.
To equate a politician with the nation is not patriotism. It is idiotry. It is the logic of a cult, not a country. Look, I know he thinks he was sent by Paramatma.
परमात्मा ने मुझे भेजा है, परमात्मा ने मेरे से काम लेना तय किया है.
But we are electing a prime minister, not a pujari. We need someone to fix the economy, not someone to release a scripture every now and then on Mann Ki Baat. I see plenty of comments like Modi ji may create problems, but the opposition cannot be the solution for it. This is the classic Stockholm syndrome. Yes, my kidnapper beats me. Yes, he stars me. Yes, he sold my house to Adani. But the guy outside trying to defend me, but the guy outside trying to save me, I don't trust you. A very suspicious fellow. I think I'll stay with the kidnapper. If you are among those, then congratulations. You are my friend. no less than Rakhi Sawant. Actually, wait, stop. Take that back, sorry. There is a grave insult to Rakhi Sawant. Because Rakhi Sawant is a professional. She performs drama knowingly. She monetizes chaos. She understands the camera. She is the ringmaster of her own circus. She's playing a character. You, my friend, have become the character. The difference is simple. She is in on the joke. You are the joke. So wipe the grease paint off your face. Step out of the circus ring and look at the reality. Mr. Nishikant Dubey says the Prime Minister is above the questions. I say the Prime Minister is the question. He is the question mark that hangs over our borders. He is the question mark that hangs over our economy. He is the question mark that hangs over our moral compass. The leader of the opposition is doing his job. He's screaming into the void. He's holding up the mirror, but a mirror is useless if the person standing in front of it refuses to open their eyes. You don't have to like him, but you cannot say questioning is anti-national, because questioning is literally his job description. Opposition means oppose, not applaud. If the leader of the opposition claps for everything, we don't have democracy. This is brown enlightenment, where we refuse to let the dosti silence the democracy. Inqilab Zindabad. Jai Hind.
Inqilab Zindabad. Inqilab Zindabad. Inqilab Zindabad.
Inqilab Zindabad! Inqilab!